Get the fuck on,
I be
man.
doing this shit all the time.
YouTube, what the fuck going on? You already know we out here at Lanier Wasteland right now. And I just got my slide ticket. I gotta go down here to tech. And I guess I gotta look at my car or some shit like that. So got big boy 8-ball right here. Finna run down there. We gotta go down there and check in or some shit like that. About to go down here, check in real quick. And I got car mask all over my face, y'all. Tripping.
Them niggas selling tires.
For real?
Bro, nigga, there's a big ass tire thing up in there.
Damn, we lit. All right, so yeah, we just pulled up. You know I got Big Doobear with me. She said top left. I want a church girl.
I don't fucking know. Ain't do bad bitches, big swipes. Ain't do bad bitches, big swipes.
Who the fuck are you, bitch? You ain't shit.
Stupid bitch. You.
Should I put it on the outside?
Shit, I don't think that.
There we go, y'all. Finna go down here and I guess I finna check in on my car.
I need a shirt, please. What the fuck is going on?
Or some boof ass shit, so y'all boys stay tuned on this. Alright, where I'm supposed to go? She said somewhere like tech or some shit like that. She said I was supposed to go. What's going on, bro? This is the tech spot I'm supposed to stop at?
Yeah, we'll be here in just a minute.
Alright, bet. Alright, bet. Say what? Alright, y'all. I'm sitting here post up for a little second. Oh, my window is up. Okay.
My bad.
You don't see too many of these.
I'm already knowing, bro. It's right there on the side. Oh, we're good. We're good then. What's up?
Ho, brother, whoa.
You see, there's a white truck right there is where you're gonna turn right and come into it.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
No.
YouTube. Y'all here, you see. Look, G8 the beauty sitting out here ready to get slutted out. You know how that go.
Ho, brother, whoa, now.
Damn. Oh! Mustang doing Mustang shit. lie, Jake. The fucking G might get busy out there, man. Just the way the shit look, it done been burnt out so much, Slim. That shit soft. This nigga going stupid, bruh.
We do not care.
Stacking all this paper, felt like I been on a mission. I just stayed out for this shit, I promise ain't no penny pinch. When I reach 100, all these niggas act like bitches, man, these niggas tend to dick. Niggas switching on my bliss, I'm with my game, won't never switch. Bitch, start asking me why I get this from her, you can't get this shit.
Don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That
Shrimp. Damn cone up under the car. The cone is under the car. Shawty is walking this bitch. Y'all, this is insane. Like when I say he is driving that bitch, he is driving. Turn me up. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah. Boy, them fans putting on, shawty. Them fans putting on, shawty. Hold that bitch, shawty. Oh, he walking. Oh, he walking. Oh my God.
Eventually.
Oh, hell no. He can't even do a burnout. Oh, fuck no.
Do you see me fucking laughing, my nigga? I ain't fucking laughing.
That is cool. That is cool. This is sad. Oh my God, Mustang though. Mustang! Oh my God! Oh fuck no. Go home, bro. Whoever drive this scat, bro, sell that shit.
Would buy my back to the lobby.
going hard.
Yeah, stacking all this paper, feel like I've been on a mission. I just stayed off for this shit, I promise, ain't no penny pinch. When I reach for